In this episode, you will see cleaning up the rubble, cutting open the wall for the new window, and trying to ride a bike. Let's go!
Welcome to my cribs! Check out the new floor!
Your door doesn't open fully, does it?
No need! Who needs doors? This is the new floor. I call it Mountain in Your Living Room. Bedroom.
That's
Whoa.
amazing!
Parkour.
Where did you find this title? Well, this name, sorry.
I figured it out myself.
Oh, nice.
You can look for wood for your chimney that doesn't have a door.
It's on the other side.
You need to ask your neighbors to burn it. But yeah, you like it?
What else is in here?
It's only like a few tons of clay, rock, that's been sitting here for 200 years. Yeah. Yesterday we had our first strawberries. One of them got eaten by birds, but then
we would have
other
three.
two. Yeah, we would have three, but we had 2 strawberries, so we cut them in half and ate them. There's gonna be a lot more strawberries coming up in the summer, hopefully. But most exciting is the raspberries and other berries and apples and cherries. Oh yeah. Can't wait. Anyways, let's get started. I need to clean out all this clay.
I thought you were gonna leave that.
No, I'm gonna clean it out.
Why?
I think visitors might not like it. It's a bit too rough.
Well, but it's like a truck place where you can drive.
We could do also with the bike here.
Yeah.
With dirt bikes and stuff.
Exactly.
Anyways, I need to clean it out. This one needs to pick the
strawberries.
weeds from the strawberries because it's all a big mess.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get going.
Woo! Nice.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah. Okay, let's get started down here. And I'm going outside.
Okay.
Bye bye.
I have done 9 wheelbarrows full of dirt. That's from 30% of the room, so quite a lot more to go.
Maybe a bit
How long it
more.
took me? An hour? Maybe?
Yeah, roughly an hour.
So another like 2 hours or something, and then we're gonna be done with it.
And done with your body as well.
Yeah, my body's already done, so I think I'm gonna be dead after this. It's really heavy. These are not some light
it's like
rocks. They're hard rocks. Look, it shakes the whole ground. That's
yeah.
heavy stuff.
And you need to take it out and then drive
roll
it
all the way down and then do
Unload
that
it.
process again. Anyways, I filled up some on the road, as you saw with the GoPro shot, and then I'm putting some in some holes where we have to even out the ground. Because this is just dirt, pretty much, it's clay. But,
it's not the best for the
it's gonna
road.
overgrow with grass and it's gonna look normal. But yeah, we're just doing some landscaping with all this stuff. We really don't need it. there's no use for it because it just melts and hardens in the sun.
Yeah.
So.
Where am I? Oh, you're right.
Now it's hard as rock, but then put some water on it.
Some water is
be
gonna melt. Yeah.
Like a Play-Doh. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna keep going.
Hello. Come in.
Yeah. It's breaking the whole thing. Or wheelbarrow.
No, it's not gonna work.
It broke off. Go slowly. That's what happens when you buy 21-euro wheelbarrows. Nothing good happens. It's gonna break the rest of it. Now you believe me that we need a welder?
Yeah, I do, but
We cannot afford one. What do I do? How do I get this out? I need it out. Wheelbarrow broke. But you filmed it, no?
yes, I filmed it.
Yeah, you saw the wheelbarrow broke.
Yeah,
fully,
and we cannot continue here.
sadly. That thing's been surviving for 3 months. We've been wrecking it with heavy stuff and yeah.
Windows.
Windows, those heavy 90-kilo windows was going in there. But now it broke. And we need the welder to fix it. Anyways, we're not buying a new one, of course we're gonna fix it. Let's take out this window and cut out the window bigger.
Yeah, because it's also hard for Dave to lift all of that up and
Yeah,
down.
because I go really high up and I need to throw it out. So it's easier when it's gonna be the big window.
Yeah, and
at
now we
least the
have
frame.
space at least.
So let's take it out.
No, we're not gonna put the window, we're just gonna cut the hole for the
Yeah,
window.
when the window is the same size.
Yes, okay, good.
Ready?
Maybe.
Oh, that's...
Yeah. It's so scary. It was moving that way. Ah! It's so annoying, the wind.
Why couldn't I upload the other way and just leave us alone? Just watch out, please.
Okay.
Run in case.
Okay, I
Don't
can-
run before you film it.
Okay, go. That's an over-exaggerated scream.
Okay?
Ah!
It was too rotten to hold anything. Look, it broke.
Yeah.
It's like all eaten up by the bugs and the weather. The top is okay, but the bottom is not. What's the point? Welcome to Tiny Hole Nation, where we make your tiny hole into a bigger hole.
It looks so much bigger. You're gonna really see it in the
Don't
video,
worry,
of
it's gonna get more bigger. Shit.
Oh, I like your hair.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
Comment down below if you love it.
I love it.
Don't comment because you love it. I'm ready with all safety except masks because there is none and it's too windy. I think it's gonna be fine.
It's just gonna flow in.
This thing cuts really fast, so it should be no problem. It's not like the one we had before was the tiny version, because we got an upgrade now to a lot bigger version that can cut a full brick through in one go. The previous one we thought it's gonna last all the windows, as Despina said. I don't know how long this this 15-euro tool will last, but hopefully long
Fingers
enough.
crossed for all the windows.
But it turned out it lasted only one window, barely, and it was a nightmare to work with.
Yeah.
So this is much more easier, much better to work with.
Well, we haven't tried on a window
We've tried it on a
extension.
brick, we haven't tried it on this, so let's see how it is. It's a lot of power, so I'm really scared of it, but it's okay. Let's get it done.
Let's go.
have some fun with my sledgehammer. Huh? Huh?
Yeah, go.
This is
go,
what
go.
everyone's been waiting for. I'm pretty sure I need to cut the other side. Brick pile. Carefully, of course. Brick pile. Oh, broken. Wobble, wobble. Archaeologists know what they're doing. Too low, too low. I nearly went lower. Okay, here's the window.
Okay.
Okay, finish. You
Show
can
me.
go back to work.
Where's the window?
What's wrong?
Nothing.
This wood needs done. Here, it's ugly.
What are you doing now?
This tree is ugly, it needs to be cleaned up. Look at the beautiful flowers out.
You need to update your profile picture
Why?
to an orange Smurf.
Why? I should get a saw, but
Evie, what are you doing there? What did you do? Evie went there in the orange hole.
sicky.
You okay?
No. I think my lungs are orange inside.
Yeah, well, if you don't put a mask on, that's what happens.
I don't have a mask. Corona time!
It's okay. It's okay, don't exaggerate your belly for no reason.
I don't, my belly starts to puke for no reason.
That's not puke, that's spit.
Shush you. You don't know what's going on inside.
You've made everything very nice and orange.
Oh, the inside of the room is orange. You think this is orange? The roof is orange. Literally, there's dust, orange just everywhere.
So I don't know what was the last clip we filmed, but probably it was David breaking the cleaning the wall for the window. And we have like much later. We have eaten, we've showered, we've taken the goats out, and I went for a nice bike ride. And like most of you know, probably no one, but I'm a very good bike rider. David can verify, of course.
Of course.
And as I have ride a lot of times a bike, I hit for the first time myself with a pedal full power like this. Ow. And it's a nasty ouchy pain, and David gave me medicine. I don't know what the hell that is.
It's a leaf.
Gonna give it to the goats now?
Yeah.
And by the way, I'm wearing a hat although it's like end of May.
It's windy.
It's windy and I have showered my hair, so I do not want to get like sick and it's nice and warm. I wanted my band-aid for my ears to cover, but I didn't find it, so I just put a hat on. Gonna give it to the goats now?
Yeah.
They're ignoring me. It does not look that bad, does it? But it hurts so much. Ugh, it's straight on my bone here. But okay, I will survive. By the way, I've never ridden a bike. I've ridden a bike only like for 3 times, and that was like my 5th time. So as you can tell, I have not hit my knee again like that bad. But okay, we keep going.
Okay, go ride again.
I'm not gonna, okay, I'm gonna ride.
You have to ride.
I don't want to hit myself again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, the steering wheel. The steering wheel. No, no, no. Fire that, fire that, fire that. No, no, no. I'm not gonna follow you all the way, you know that, right? You're very good at it, I must say.
Yeah?
Yeah. What's wrong with the goats?
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we hope to see you next time.
Where are you going?